This converts electricity from direct current to alternating current and puts it straight back into the grid.
आयज आमी हांगासर विजन रॉयल हे कॉलनी येयलेले आहा ते चड खुशी भोगता हिंगासर आयज हे सोलर पॅनल बसयला ते पळोवन कित्याक तशेंच हिंगासर एक STP प्लांटूय हे कॉलनीन बसयलेलो आहा आनी हांव समजता अशेंच जर सगल्यो कॉलनी एकठांय जावन जर हें करीत जाल्यार खूब लोकांक बऱ्याक पडटली प्लस तांकां पयशेय तेंचे सेव जातले.
रियली वेरी गुड डे फॉर गोवा. आमच्या गोंयांत आमी जवळ जवळ 85% वीज ही भायल्यान हाडटा आनी हे सोलर पॅनल इन्स्टॉल करपाक सपोर्ट म्हणून गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा 50% सबसिडी दिता. आज खुशी भोगता की ह्या सोसायटीन हे पावल उचललें आनी त्यांनी त्यांच्या सोसायटीचेर हो सोलर पॅनल घातलो. कित्याक चडशे आजून पर्यंत जे सोलर पॅनल घातलेले आहा ते इंडिविज्युअल घरांनी घातलेले आहा. ह्याच डेव्हलपरान आनी एका सोसायटीन घातले. दोनूच सोसायटी आसतल्यो ज्यांच्यांनी हे सोलर इन्स्टॉलेशन केलां. सोलर पॅनल घालपाक सरकार टोटल 50% सबसिडी दिता. 20% सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाची सबसिडी आहा आनी 30% गोंय सरकारची सबसिडी आसा जी हांकां मेळटली. फक्त ती बेंचमार्क रेटाचेर आसा. म्हाका सांगा 44 कितें बेंचमार्क रेट आहा तेजी 50% सबसिडी ह्या सोसायटीक मेळटली. गोंयची सबसिडी 6 म्हयन्यान मेळटा आनी सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटची सबसिडी आज तेंच्यांनी हे केला तेन्ना रोखडीच मेळटली. तांकां 8-15 दिसान तांकां 20% सबसिडी मेळची. हांव सगळ्यांक आव्हान करता की गोवा डेव्हलपमेंट एजन्सीचे रूफटॉप सोलराचो जो 50% सबसिडी आहा ह्याचो सगळ्यांनी बेनिफीट घेवचो. घरांनी आनी सोसायटीनी ताणें एक बरें पावल उचललां कित्याक ते म्हणटाले की तेंच्या सिवर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाक जो पंप चलता त्याची जी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कन्जम्पशन आहा आयज त्या ह्या सोलर पॅनला खातीर तितलें कन्जम्पशन हे पॅनलांतल्यान जातलें. ताणें एक पावल फुडें घेतला. आनीक जागो आसलो ताणें आनीक घालचे आनी बाकीच्या सोसायटीन हेच्यात सहभाग घेवचो.
They've used 335 watt panels. They are DCR. They are the DCR panel mean domestic content requirement. They are the ones which qualify for subsidy. So when a installer comes to install, he has to use DCR panels only. These panels are also made in Goa only. They are made in Ponda by Agrawal Industries. They are Dhoop brand panels. So in case there is a problem, the installer or the society can easily get it replaced. There's no problem. Comes with 25-year performance warranty. 18.76 kilowatt is the total number of panels. That is 56 panels of 335 watt installed. Society needs 80 units of electricity per day, but these panels under ideal situation will produce between 90 and 95. Reason why it is slightly bigger is because Goa has a long monsoon season, so to compensate for cloudy days it is slightly big, so that the society will always get zero bill, or it will get a check from the Goa Electricity Department for 3 rupees 26 paisa per unit that it exports back to the grid.
Our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji had said once that if you want to serve the nation, you need not join Air Force, Army or your Navy. He had said by saving water and electricity, you can serve the nation. And I am very happy to say that our society is the best example for this. Because today we have commissioned that solar energy plant. Previously we have that STP. That STP water we are using it for garden, for washing our cars.
This is a solar panel. This has a semiconductor based cells inside. So when the solar rays hit this semiconductor, the photons will dislodge electrons, and the energized electrons will go to the inverter, and the inverter will convert it into AC power. So that's the basic of how a solar panel works. It's very delicate material, and it is put inside a hardened glass. This is a weather resistant glass. It will withstand hailstorm, it will withstand all weather conditions. The entire casing is, the standard is called IP65 for outside use. So this normally a panel has a performance guarantee of 25 years, but expected lifetime can easily exceed 30 years also. So the plant life is normally calculated as 25 years, but in real life scenario, it can go well beyond 25 years. Solar blockchain in Goa. What we do is we provide these nodes to the customer, which can do cryptocurrency for the solar that they have purchased. You can currently use the cryptocurrency on our system to buy AMC's insurance and upgrades to their system. And these nodes can also act like Web3 nodes to do private chat, private email, etc., etc. And I can give a demonstration of the same. Now this is a lithium-ion battery. This is a 2 kilowatt lithium-ion battery. Very light. It can be installed in any place. It can even be wall-mounted if required, and it can provide electricity for like a normal house for 12 hours easily on one charge. This is an inbuilt lithium-ion battery with inverter UPS. This is a very economical system. It only costs, I think, less than 50,000 rupees. And it comes if you attach solar to it, one normal house with 2-3 fans, some light, and a fridge can easily run on a solar system without grid connection also. This is how it works. This is a small 3 kilowatt on-grid inverter. This is a starting range, and that's a small off-grid inverter, also a starting range. So our starting range for solar starts from actually 35,000 rupees. So if you are in the market to buy UPS system, you can opt for a solar UPS system, which is equally economical. Starting range is 35,000 rupees. This is our 10 kilowatt on-grid system, which is very similar to what we have. We have a 20 kilowatt on-grid installed there. This is our 10 kilowatt on-grid system. This is an interesting device. It can convert your existing UPS system into a solar UPS system. So if you have a Microtech luminous system, you can just buy this, attach a solar panel, and you can get straight away you can get solar in your house. They are for agrivoltaics. So the panels, they work optimal in cold temperature. They don't like hot temperature. So if you have a garden or some kind of agriculture happening under the panels, your production can go up to 10 to 15%. So we provide grow bags and we provide the instruction of how to make that happen in a solar rooftop environment.